Hey guys, Mr. Zakay at the Makerspace room. What I want to do is the first thing is this: so when you guys come in the Makerspace, so you guys are going to make and remake your projects. We kind of follow the design process. When we follow the design process, kind of go through this real quick here. Is we try to make it as easy as possible, but also have like little steps that you go to further your project and make it as good as you can. The very first thing is you want to define the problem. Usually, I will give you guys most actually I will say this. Sometimes you might get the problem, sometimes you might not. Depends on what we're doing. Usually in the beginning part, though, you guys will be given a challenge, and you guys will have to figure out that challenge. Because what you have to do is you have to figure out the solution for that problem that I came up with for you guys. Once you do that, then you move on to making a model part. When you make a model, what you're doing is you're going to take something. If you're making it out of Legos, you make it out of Legos, and you make the model based off your plan for your solution. It might not work the first time. That's the thing when you're doing this thing. You test the model out, which is the next one. Most likely it will not work right away. Every time, that's the thing with this whole class is we expect you to fail. Don't expect to be perfect every time, unless you're Mr. Zakay. Just kidding. But that's what happens there. Then what you do is once you test the model, then you want to reflect on your model, what you did, and see, does it work, did it not work, what can I do better to see where I can make that design as good as it possibly can be. And you'll do that. And the whole thing is, though, it's not going to happen when you do the project like this, it's not going to happen one time and be done with it. You go through the whole process, like we said, the design process, to make your creation, your challenge, whatever we gave you, as good as it possibly can be. So this is the design process. This is the very basic part of the whole thing. And then what will happen is we'll break it down each one when we get into all the different challenges. So good luck and have fun with it.